Here is a wonderful 2015 Mazda CX-5. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish CX-5, the SUV that puts your comfort at center stage. This compact crossover features an extraordinarily quiet cabin, excellent ride quality, upscale materials and craftsmanship, touchscreen infotainment, and flexible cargo space to help you make the most of every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, keyless start, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Take excellence with you wherever the road leads when you're behind the wheel of this outstanding CX-5. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.